Hello everyone, so we got the package. This is from Flipkart. Let's unbox. This has come from Shadow Box and the delivery was made in a day. Let's see what it is. It says pack of 3 combo plastic silicone 2000 ml 900 ml 300 ml. So I guess all 3 will be inside it. So let's quickly open it. So this is zipper. This is another zipper. And we have the timing 7, 9 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m., 9 p.m. So we have to drink water all these times. That's a tough task. Then I think this is the lock. I don't know how this works. Okay. So let's open it up. Yes. So we found one more box inside this. And let's open this. And we have a small cute bottle. So I think this is 2000 ml. This is 2000 ml. This is 750 ml. And this is 280. So looks good. And these buttons and it's locked. And I think it's leak proof as well. So it's from locking it from accidental opening. And this is just if you see it's all dirt, so need to get it clean. So yeah, there's no sign of BPA or others in this. It's easy and then no food grade items anything on all this. So that's a question. But yeah, this is what we have. Thanks for watching.